Hello, my dear friends. Namaskar. My name is Suresh Shrivali. Welcome to Astro and Neuro with Shrivali, your one-stop channel for astrology and numerology. Today, I will tell you about the effect of Venus transit and how it will put an impact on your zodiac sign. But firstly, let me tell you about Venus. The planet Venus is called the master of the demons. Venus is considered a very beneficial planet. This planet is especially considered to be a factor of love, marital, and worldly pleasures. It is believed that due to the influence of the planet Venus, the marital pleasures of the native increase. You should take some time out of your busy schedule and watch this program so that you can know the effect of Venus in your zodiac sign. This time, Venus will transit in Aries on 10th of April 2021, which will remain in this zodiac till 4th of May 2021. Will Venus become a lucky charm for you? Will your business or job reach to targeted goals? Will this transit create a spark in your life? Will you get some auspicious results? Will you get the fruits of your intelligence? Waiting for the answers? Now, your wait is over. The path of prediction is open for you, and you will see sun sign based predictions. Let's start the journey of future predictions along with some remedies which can give auspicious results. Let's start with the fire, that is Aries. The day will be beneficial for those who make import export business. This time will help you in fulfilling your ambitions. There is also a possibility of your promotion in the field. Students will not be able to concentrate in their fields. Sweetness will come in love relationship and you will be able to spend a happy moment with your partner. Having a good health will bring happiness and enjoyment. Remedy for you is serving a black cow. Now let's move to the bull, that is Taurus. Your expenses in business may increase unintentionally. Money is more likely to be spent in court cases. Salaried persons will work without any stress or fear of competition. You will perform well at the academic fronts. You may have to go on a long journey in connection with work. Students will be busy in their studies. Remedy for you is feed 2 kilograms of potatoes colored by yellow turmeric to cows. Now let's move to twins, that is Gemini. Your income is likely to increase. You will get various opportunities to get progress in the field. In business, you are expected to get special benefits from a foreign source or a female friend. Students, do not waste their precious time in vain. Film actor, entertainment persons will get good benefits. Your activity will also increase in social work. Your younger brother and sisters may do some moral deeds. Remedy for you is keep the roof of the house clean and well maintained. Now let's move to the crab, that is Cancer. You can be successful in achieving a lot of progress in the field. A particular person can be greatly affected by your lifestyle and way of working. Your female friends may get special benefits. Your family life will be normal. Students, artists, and players will look quite confident. An elder in the house will be worried about their health and take special care of them. Remedy for you is drop things like gram, pulses, and kesar in the river. Now let's move to Lion, that is Leo. You can make changes in your workplace. For business expansion, you may have the opportunity to travel a long distance. You can get any special benefit from your siblings. You will get plenty of support from your spouse. At the same time, your honor and respect at the special level will also increase. Financially, you can earn a lot of income. Students will remain busy on the social side. You will be troubled by joint pain. Remedy for you is offer white or cream clothes and perfume also to a holy man on Friday. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. Invest money wisely in business expansion. You may get some good news related to your career. Students will be engaged in gossip with friends, so be careful. You will get job advancement and respect, but you will have to stay away from ego. There may be some management work or preparation in the house. You may have to travel in connection with work at the workplace. Remedy for you is do mantra jap of planet Venus 108 times daily, means Om Dram Dream Drom Sah Shukraya Namaha. Now let's move to skills, that is Libra. You will be full of energy. You will get the benefit in the field also. Nothing can stop student from working hard. Blogs are a sign of success and fame for journalists. You will try to move forward while battling mental stress. Life partner and love partner will prove to be very beneficial for you. A family like situation can occur. Remedy for you is donate fruit equal to the weight of your spouse to a temple. Now let's move to Scorpion, that is Scorpio. Political difficulties may arise. Your expenses may increase due to the sudden program of travel in business. Students should keep their anger under control, otherwise, you can fall into the debate. You will feel weak and little bit depressed. There will be more interest in spirituality. You may have to face some problems, especially in your marital life. Remedy for you is plant Tulsi planet. Plant Tulsi plant on Friday at home. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. There is a possibility of your promotion in your field. In business, you will need to control your expenses. The competitive exam will prove to be favorable for students. Seniors at the workplace will appreciate your contribution. Opponents will get a chance to prevail, so be careful. Single persons may be attracted to a new relationship. Remedy for you is wear silver bangles after putting some red color on them. Now let's move to Goat, that is Capricorn. You may also develop a sense of dissatisfaction in the business. In love life, you will be able to spend more and more time with your partner. Students will get some important advice from the mother, which will prove to be right for their future. You can buy a new house or car. There will be an atmosphere of happiness in the family. Some health related problems will have to be faced. Remedy for you is plant white flower at your home. Now let's move to the water, that is Aquarius. For business persons, you may have to go on a journey. This journey will prove to be very profitable. There are complete chances of getting success in art related activities. You will get some good news on the field. Students are advised to stay away from negative personalities. You can also get tied up in a new relationship. There may be sweetness in your relationship with sibling. Health stress will fluctuate due to mental stress. Remedy for you is donate oil on Saturdays. Now let's move to fish, that is Pisces. You will enhance your communication style in business. Be cautious to cooperate with someone to complete your tasks on time at the workplace. You can create many sources of wealth for you. Married natives can get special benefit from their in-laws. Take special care of your spouse's health. Their health may change. Students will remain in the trenches regarding their future. Health will be weak, so take medicines if needed. Otherwise, it may cause problems. Remedy for you is wear cream color clothes on Friday especially. So, my dear friends, it was my analysis for Venus transit. I will always be available for you to solve your problems because it is dream to it spread happiness and prosperity all over the world. However, this is just a special forecast. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic and video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp us on the given number or drop your queries in the comment box. And for any kind of astrological queries, you can visit www.grahonkakhel.co.in. In the end, all I want to say is remember that opportunities don't happen, you create them. Thanks for watching. Take care. Namaskar. Bye bye.
आज को कल से मिलाती है कुंडली, आज ही कल का हाल बताती है कुंडली। जब अथक परिश्रम के पश्चात भी बना रहे अभाव, परेशानियां और बाधाएं बदले आपका स्वभाव, अपनी भावी समस्याओं को समय पूर्व ही जान जाएंगे। न केवल जानेंगे पर समाधान भी पाएंगे। तब कुंडली बनवाकर इन सभी से निजात पाए। कौन मित्र है और कौन है शत्रु? जीवन साथी में ढूंढते हो प्रेम या प्रेम में ढूंढते हो जीवन साथी? शिक्षा, करियर, नौकरी हो या व्यवसाय, पद उपलब्धि और कैसे मिलेगा सम्मान? कुंडली भविष्य का प्रवेश द्वार है और समस्याओं के समाधान का आधार है कुंडली। आपके भविष्य का दर्पण है कुंडली, समाधानों के द्वारा दुखों का अर्पण है कुंडली। जन्म कुंडली में शरीर के सभी अंगों का विचार तथा उनमें होने वाले रोग या विकारों का विचार कुंडली के भिन्न भिन्न भावों से किया जाता है। आप में सभी प्रतिभाएं विद्यमान हैं, फिर भी आप असफल क्यों हो रहे हैं? इन सभी बातों के बारे में जानने के लिए आप भी जरूर करवाएं कुंडली विश्लेषण।